Hey guys, Suraj here from B10X. Want to spice up your Discord server with some AI powered fun? Today we are diving into the world of ChatGPT and turning it into your very own Discord chatbot. Before we hop in, here's a heads up for all you career minded folks. B10X has an exclusive workshop on AI tools just for you. Master the latest AI tech and become 10x more productive. Check the link in the description, you won't regret it.
9 rupees. 9 rupees cannot even buy you this packet of biscuit. But what if I tell you that 9 rupees can help you save your job? What if I tell you that 9 rupees can 3x your salary? Yes, this is possible because I am going to conduct a workshop at just rupees 9 on ChatGPT and other AI tools, which is highly recommended for all working professionals out there.
Now, why ChatGPT on Discord? Imagine your Discord server bursting with life. People chatting with an AI, asking questions, getting creative. That's the power of ChatGPT. Think of it as your own personal genie, ready to entertain and inform. Plus, it's a great way to boost engagement and keep your community buzzing. Let's get technical, but keep it simple. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, woo, technical stuff. But fear not. B10X is here to break it down step by step. We will focus on the key points, no coding jargon, just pure understanding. Remember, even if you are not a tech whiz, you can be B10X Pro with the right guidance. I'll be just deducing the things in 3 steps, 3 parts. So let's move towards the step number 1, setting up the environment. First, we will create a Node.js project to handle the interaction between Discord and the ChatGPT API. Create a new folder named as ChatGPT Discord bot and initialize a project using npm init. Install the required packages, npm install discord.js, openai.env. Create 2 files. .env, this file will store our API keys securely. Add 2 lines, OpenAI API equal to your key and Discord bot token equal to your token. Remember to replace your key and your token with your actual API keys. Index.js, this file will contain code for our bot. Now let's move to step number 2, setting up the Discord bot. Head over to the Discord development portal and create a new application. Give your application a name and click create. Go to the bot section and click add bot. Choose a username for your bot and click add bot. Copy the token provided. You will need this later. Now before we move towards the 3rd step, let's address the elephant in the room. AI taking over jobs. The truth is, AI won't replace you, but it will empower those who use it. By mastering AI tools like ChatGPT, you become irreplaceable in your field. B10X shows you how to leverage AI for upskilling, boosting productivity, and achieving your career goals. So, are you ready to become a B10X Pro with your own AI Discord chatbot? Join our 3-hour AI Tools workshop. In this workshop, we'll deep dive into these powerful tools, show you hands-on how to use them, and equip you with the knowledge to transform your working process. Click the link in the description below to secure your spot and become an AI-powered research rockstars. Now let's move towards the step number 3, connecting the bot and ChatGPT. Now this part is a little bit critical, but I will try to keep it simple and make it short as possible. So let's move ahead. In index.js, require the necessary module, JavaScript. So we will be writing const discord equal to required discord.js, const to OpenAI equal to require OpenAI. And second step will be to replace your bot token with your actual bot token. So here is the code for that. Then we will write some prompt. So write a prompt for the bot to respond to. This could be anything like tell me a funny story or write a poem about cats. And then create an event listener for message. And here's the code for that. And then simply start the bot by entering this code. So I hope you get it. I just try to make the things simple as possible. So are you ready to become a B10X Pro with your own AI Discord chatbot? Don't forget to hit that like button. Leave a comment telling me what kind of prompt you will use for your chatbot. Subscribe for more awesome tech tutorials. And most importantly, click the link in the description and join our exclusive AI tool workshop. It's your chance to become an AI master and future-proof your career. See you there, and remember, with B10X, you are always 10 steps ahead. Thanks for joining me today, guys. I hope this video inspired you to unleash the power of AI on your Discord server. Remember, the B10X workshop is your key to mastering AI and becoming a truly B10X professional. Let's do it together.